delicious, good coffee. Are you struggling getting rid of the coffee creamer? I struggled getting rid of this coffee creamer because I was pretty attached to it. I started drinking this coffee creamer when I started working in New York in my 20s. Someone at work, I believe her name was Jen, introduced me to it. I made coffee. It tasted so good. I attached myself to that feeling that someone took me under their wing to help me. We made delicious coffee together. Ever since that day, I became a coffee drinker. But prior to that, I hated coffee, didn't drink coffee. I love tea. To be honest with you, even today, I don't like coffee. I do like the flavor, sweetness, deliciousness that the coffee creamer makes with coffee. In today's video, so I'm going to share with you how I make protein coffee with collagen that I replaced this crap. Let's get into it. Ooh, that is delicious. So this is how we're gonna do this. In this glass, I'm going to show you how I make the protein creamer. First, I'm going to pour a little liquid. Just a little tiny liquid. You could see how small amount this is. I'm going to use a teaspoon. You can use a teaspoon too. Teaspoon of salted peanut butter. And then frother. And mix it really, really, really good. So you can see how it's already making it creamy. You need to make sure that your coffee is hot. I was on the phone coaching a client. This coffee pot has been sitting for 45 minutes. It's best to do it when the coffee is really hot. I'm going to let this go just for a little bit longer. That way all the powder gets melted into the hot coffee. And your frother needs to be really good quality. Now you can see how it's creamy. Then I'm going to use another coffee mug to show you how I just make the coffee. So I'll put coffee in here. Now it's 4 o'clock here, so I'm not going to make too much coffee because I'm not going to drink that much coffee right now and I hate to waste it. And then I'm going to pour it inside. This is my protein coffee, and if this is in the morning, I would have it full. Okay, let me do a quick taste. Beautiful. It's not as sweet as I like it because I only used a teaspoon. If I want it sweeter, or if you want it sweeter, because you have to do a taste test yourself, my taste buds are going to be different than your taste buds, I will do another teaspoon. I would do a tablespoon and then mix it again in here. Now I don't have too much liquid in here, so it's not going to fall, it's not going to spill out of my mug. But if this was filled to the top, you know how it would be spilling all over. Okay? Let me do another taste test. Done. Do a little taste. Delicious. Much better. Okay. How I prefer my recipe is 2 teaspoons or 1 tablespoon with hot coffee. This coffee is not flavored. Sometimes I do use flavored coffee if I feel like having more flavor. We will do collagen. I'm going to just use the same mug here. Again, pour a lid. I am using French vanilla collagen. I'm going to do another teaspoon. Use the frother again. Now, collagen is a little different. Collagen, you need to put the frother in there really fast because sometimes collagen can get hard because it's like candy. Okay, that's the best way I can describe it. Collagen does not get creamy like the protein powder. And please know, not all collagen is made equal and not all protein is made equal. So the protein and the collagen I use is from the same brand. I know it works and I know it tastes good for me. And if you don't like it, you can always return it. I made collagen. Let me just do a little taste. That's perfectly sweet. Now I'm going to combine this into my coffee. Do a little taste. That's delicious. Now, on a cold day like today, or a holiday, if I have friends over or my in-laws are over, I also dress my coffee. So let me go get my whipped cream. Regular whipped cream. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Beautiful. And then, for those of you who are Starbucks fans, I stopped going to Starbucks when I started making this recipe. This is cinnamon honey butter from Feast Mode. And I like to put a little on top. Boom, voila. Beautiful coffee. If you want your coffee to be like dessert, I also have pumpkin spice. This is extra cream, and this one is zero sugar. Ready Whip. This is Ready Whip. Just a little taste. That's delicious. Oh my gosh, that is such good coffee. Good thing I'm going to the gym tonight. Usually I work out in the morning, but I'm gonna go to the gym tonight and get to work out tonight. Did not get a chance to work out this morning. All right, I trust that this video was helpful. If you have any questions, I think I told you I use salted peanut butter, protein powder. I also like salted caramel. It's another good one for coffee. There's other ones. I have cafe latte, cafe mocha. Those are really good too. I use French vanilla collagen most. I also have salted caramel, which is nice. I'm just a French vanilla girl because my days that I drink the coffee creamer, this is French vanilla. So I just like French vanilla. But don't be scared to play around with your own recipe, okay? This is your coffee. I'm just giving you ideas how to make your coffee. I make my coffee, you make your coffee. Always remember that I do me, you do you, and we do this together. I'm not standing next to you, so I can't see you. I don't know what kind of coffee you're using. I don't know what kind of machine you have, and I don't know where you live. It all comes into play because it all comes to mindset. Your mindset creates your recipe. And I trust that you know how to make recipes that you like. If you have any questions, please leave me a comment below. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. I appreciate your support, and I look forward to having you see me in the next video. Bye.